If you're an internet marketer or you run an SEO agency, then please listen. There's some bad news. There are people who have an unfair advantage over you, and they're going to be left behind if you don't wise up. Because your competition will get their hand on this powerful set of tools and blow away any chance of you succeeding. Because it's about to be released to the public. And the guys who are complete newbies and seasoned pros are already getting crazy results in the SERPS. Meaning, most people will never even make it to your landing page. But that's not the end of it. The problem is actually going to be worse than that. And now the big players are going to hear about these underground methods and they'll want in. So all your hard work, time and money has been wasted, and you're not going to know how to compete against them. Perhaps worst of all, successful page 1 listings have become increasingly critical to online business success. There are enough pressures as it is between the economy, trying to keep pace with the changes by Google and dealing with a glut of competitors. Online business owners have it tougher today than they did 8 years ago. In fact, Bloomberg reports 95% of online businesses will fail within the first 18 months, making those lost potential sales more important than ever. But luckily for you, now there's a solution to your internet marketing challenges. Introducing Ranking Factory Revolution, powerful Google-friendly backlinking system that helps you create hundreds, thousands of high authority links, all funneling power to your sites, videos or affiliate sales pages. You can be confident your business will survive any Google updates. You can develop affiliate campaigns and masses of sales or SEO services that will dazzle your clients. You can create multiple linking combinations and add more and more juice to your landing pages. But I'm getting ahead of myself. Hi, my name's Steve McCormack, and by now you're probably wondering, who am I and how can I make these claims? Well, like you, I'm an internet marketer, and my passion is to live the internet lifestyle I promise, and to help others do the same. For that reason, I've invested tons of time and money by using the best techniques and software to uncovering the tactics of the best marketers of the IM world. I was lucky enough to get in on the early development of these awesome software tools and got a taste of the raw power of Ranking Factory Revolution. How do I know you'll get phenomenal results with Ranking Factory Revolution? Take a look at these testimonials from people just like you who began using the Ranking Factory Revolution to build powerful link building campaigns. This member said, OMG, you owe it to yourself to at least see what others are so excited about. This one said, wow, uploaded a video 2 days ago. This morning it was nowhere to be found anywhere. Went as far as 100 listings. Did a YouTube variants document and one channel 15 deep by one HTML document and 15 deep by one PDF stacking. And now it's sitting at number 18. I'll have it at the top in 2 days. Absolutely love this, by Ken G. And this member said, in my opinion, the value of purchasing Ranking Factory Revolutions is easily doubled by inclusion into the Skype group. It is one of the most supportive and positive Skype groups I've ever been associated with, and that's by Terry Powell. Ranking Factory Revolution is the most comprehensive, powerful, Google-friendly backlinking system on the market, making it an easy-to-use set of tools that were developed by marketing gurus to automate their methods to utilize the power of Google and crush the competition. Doing this manually was laborious and took days to complete. So with Ranking Factory Revolution, you'll be able to do in minutes what took these gurus days to do by hand or by employing virtual assistants. You will be privy to closely guarded secrets for easily dominating the SERPs. many have paid thousands of dollars for this information. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned marketer, you will benefit from the Skype and Facebook groups. Getting in now will protect you from future price increases, which are surely coming, and there may be even a cap on the number of sales that are going to be made. So click on the link below, find out what Ranking Factory Revolution can do for you and why so many people are excited about it. Get in now before it gets too late. Get in now before it's actually released to the public.